Please subscribe, like and watch. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back. Problem 7.91. So this is given state of stress. Again, this problem is same like 7.90 and 7.89. So the state of stress is given, the ultimate tensile stress is given, and ultimate compression stress is given. So using Mohr criteria, determine whether rupture will occur or not. So let's start with the given data. So in given data, we have given sigma x, which is equal to 8 ksi. Clear? As it is compression, so there will be negative sign. Similarly, sigma y, we can see that there is no stress in y direction, so it will be 0. And tau of xy is equal to 7 ksi. What we have to find? We have to check rupture will occur or not. Rupture or not. But by using Mohr's criteria. Clear? Mohr's criteria. Okay. So let's start with the solution. Again, this question will be solved by Mohr criteria. So we will need principal stresses sigma A and sigma B. And you know that sigma A is equal to sigma average plus R, and sigma B is equal to sigma average minus R. So we will find sigma average and R. Clear? Sigma average is equal to sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2. So again sigma x is equal to minus 8. Sigma y is 0 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 4 ksi. Similarly, R is equal to sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 whole square plus tau of xy square. So put the value sigma x is minus 8 minus 0 divided by 2 whole square plus 7 square under the root. So R will be equal to 4 square plus 7 square under the root. And if you further calculate, the R will be equal to 8.06 ksi. Now you have sigma average and sigma R, so you can put it here. Sigma average is minus 4 plus 8.06. So it will be equal to 4.06 ksi. And sigma B is minus 4 minus 8.06 is equal to minus 12.06 ksi. Now first I will solve it by using graphical method for Mohr circle. Clear? So for that I have to draw the axis. You can see, let this is your x-axis. Clear? This is your y-axis. Now you have to choose scale. Here I have boxes, so I can say that one box is equal to 2 ksi. So this is 2 ksi, 4, 6, 8. Similarly, plus 2, 4, 6, 8. Similarly, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, and minus 8. So we have sigma ut, which is given as 10 ksi, and sigma uc is given as 30 ksi. So again I have to make a larger scale. So you can see 10. For 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 10 is this point. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this point. So this is the sigma ut, and sigma uc is 30. So it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I move to this point, I think this point, no, sorry, this is the point. Okay, so this is your sigma UC. So let me show this point. Let me again draw a line. Clear? Similarly, I have to join this with this, and I have to join with this, and line with starting from this point to this point, and one more line in order to complete the envelope. Now this is the envelope for Mohr criteria. Clear? Now we will plot these 2 points, sigma A and sigma B. Sigma A is 4.06 KSI and sigma B is minus 12.06 KSI. And we will check whether it will rupture or not. Here, so 4.06 is approximately 4, which is this point, and minus 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 10 and 12. Clear? So this is your point. You can see this point is again this distance, sorry, not this point. This point, I will delete this point. So you can see that this point, this distance, this stress is 4 and this vertical is minus 12. So this is the point, and this point is, I will write it 4.06 comma minus 12.06 KSI, and this point lies inside this envelope. So it means there will be no rupture. So this is the one method by which we have solved this, and we have concluded that there will be no rupture. Clear? I will also solve it by using equation for fourth quadrant, and this lies in fourth quadrant. So equation of fourth quadrant for Mohr criteria is sigma A over sigma UT minus sigma B over sigma UC is equal to 1. So put the value, sigma A is 4.06 divided by sigma UT is 10. Clear? Minus sigma B is minus 12.06 divided by sigma UC is 10. It should be equal to 1. But when you calculate it, sorry, again sigma UT is 10, sigma UC is 30, not 10. It is 30. So when you calculate it, it's this value, the left side value comes out to be 0.808, which is less than 1. So again, it means that there will be no rupture. I hope you have learned a lot from this video. Thank you for watching.